What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a very important topic that I want to kind of discuss here in this video. If you have received your $600 stimulus check, then this is very important. If you have not received your $600 stimulus check, this is also extremely important. The title pretty much says it all. Okay, we are seeing massive issues. I want you to be aware of what is currently going on. So here's what I'm going to cover in this video. First, I want to cover why so many people have yet to receive their $600 stimulus checks in their actual bank accounts through direct deposit. There's big issues with this, and I want to explain. This is going to shock a lot of people, but again, I just want to provide you with the facts, what we are currently seeing, so that you can address your current situation. Next, we are seeing more scams because of people receiving not only a direct deposit. We're seeing scams with the physical stimulus checks. We're also seeing scams with that the Direct Express debit card. Now, right now, they're currently saying that $30 million has already been stolen. Stimulus checks only started coming out about 5 days ago, maybe 4 days ago. So that's a lot of money in 4 days. And finally, I want to address what is going on with the $2,000 stimulus checks, because I've been getting a lot of questions on that. I've been trying to update you guys daily, even multiple times a day, on the $2,000 stimulus check front. But right now, again, I'm just going to clarify everything at the end of this video. So first, right now, a lot of people are complaining that their $600 stimulus checks didn't go to the right bank accounts. I know this for a fact because I checked with multiple family members and friends, and they are seeing this exact same thing happen as well. Some are reporting that their direct deposits show they are going to a bank account with the last 4 digits of their personal social security number, which, as you know, you probably have a bank account that does not have the last 4 digits of your social security number as the last 4 digits of its account number. That's just the way it works. This is not happening in isolated incidents. This is happening all across the country. The IRS has stated that these people will either get another direct deposit. However, that's very unlikely. What they are saying is that they will most likely receive their stimulus check money on the Direct Express debit card or a paper check. So if this is what you're seeing, or if you don't know where the money has gone, or you're not sure if you should receive it in a direct deposit, in a paper check, or a Direct Express debit card, what you need to do is go to the IRS website. Go to irs.gov, click on the direct payments. It's the top left button, and then there you can click on the Get My Payment tool. Put in your information, hit submit, and it will tell you. We are also hearing that the IRS is trying to fix this issue. However, instead of a direct deposit, they will most likely send a physical check. Okay, that's what they're saying. Just to give you an idea, a direct deposit, if they do it today, you could see it in the next couple of days. A stimulus check, a physical check, will most likely take about 10 days to arrive. So just keep that in mind. You could be waiting an additional 14 days, possibly even longer, just to get a physical check. I know this isn't ideal, but this is currently the situation that many people have been dealt. A few reports are indicating that some people saw their stimulus checks arrive in their bank accounts. And this, I just want to say I'm sorry, okay, because I told a lot of people a few days ago this wouldn't happen, but we are seeing this happen. There are a few reports indicating that many people have seen their stimulus checks arrive in their bank accounts, and then later on that day, they vanish. They're gone. And so I told you guys, the government will not take your stimulus check money back. And I was pretty sure they will not. Right now, we do not know why some people, many people, are losing their stimulus check. It credits to their account. It's not pending. It credits to their account. And then as soon as it credits, a little bit later, hours after that, after they check, the money is gone. The banks have no answers. So this is causing a lot of problems. People are going to the banks to take this money out, take out their stimulus check money. The problem with that, when you go to the bank and take out that money, and then that money actually gets canceled and goes back, what happens is you are now going to be left with a deficit. You will now have less money. Hey, if you go negative, that's on you. It's not on the IRS. So I just want you to be aware this is happening. Now, as for what you can do if you do not receive a stimulus check, but you are supposed to be issued one, here's what the IRS is saying. The IRS is saying that if you are not issued a stimulus check by January 15th, that is in 10 days from today, then you can still receive a stimulus check. However, it will not be a physical check. It will not be direct deposit. It will not be a direct express debit card. You have to go and file your 2020 federal tax return. When you do this, there will be a box you can check, or if you do it with a CPA or TurboTax or wherever, you can have them do it for you. But there will be a box that you can check that says you did not receive your 2020 income, or the whatever it's called, stimulus check. Kind of lost it for a second. Okay, so that's what we're seeing. That's not ideal either, but that's currently what the IRS is saying they are going to do. When you call the IRS phone number, they specifically tell you before you even talk to anybody, I believe it's in the very first 30 seconds, that the IRS assistants, the ones that you will talk to, they do not have any more information than what is on the Get My Payment tool. So if you call and wonder what's going on, they're going to tell you, I just don't know. So we have to wait a little bit longer. Again, not ideal, but that's the current situation that we're in. Now, one other issue that people are seeing right now is they are getting text messages, phone calls, and emails from people saying that they can help expedite their stimulus check for $600. Right now, I can tell you, now, in the past, and in the future, the IRS will not text you ever. The IRS will not send you an email. Okay? They will not call you. The IRS will send you a letter. Okay? If you are not sure, let's say you receive a letter and you're not sure if this is serious and it's actually coming from the IRS, all you got to do is call the IRS's phone number, not the one on the paper. Do not call anything that's on the paper. Go to Google, go to the IRS website, and call the number there. Never call a number you see in a text message, that you get in a phone call, or you have in a message, and never one you get in an email. Never, and I repeat, never call those numbers. There are even reports right now that are saying that the IRS, or they are the IRS, and they're saying, I can get you your $2,000 stimulus check quickly. All you need to do is provide just a few simple questions. Some information, mainly bank account, usually last for your social, if not the whole thing, your address, and things like that. I can tell you right now, this is not the IRS. Right now, let's be 100% clear. The $2,000 stimulus checks are still not a thing. They're being talked about. The bill was passed through the House. It was never passed through the Senate. It wasn't even put on the floor for a vote. Hasn't been signed by President Trump. So I can tell you right now, 100% sure, with 100% certainty, guaranteed, there is no $2,000 stimulus check. I'm not saying there's not going to be one in the future, but as of right now, there's no $2,000 stimulus check. So if anybody tells you they can get you your $2,000 stimulus check quicker, it's a scam. 100% guaranteed it's a scam. Now, we do expect more talks on the $2,000 stimulus checks. But as of right now, this is not happening. We're not seeing more talks and discussions and negotiations with the $2,000 stimulus check at this point today, simply because the eyes of America are not on stimulus checks. They're on the Georgia Senate runoff. That's where everyone's looking. So expect whatever happens today to dictate whether or not we see a $2,000 stimulus check amendment, whether we see a $2,000 stimulus check bill, or we see maybe a $1,200 stimulus check bill. Right now, we don't know. And in all honesty, we could have seen our final stimulus package. Depending on what actually happens, not only today, but what happens on Friday, when we see the jobs report come out for December, and we see what happens over the next few weeks. So, right now, we're in another wait-and-see phase. So this right now is what we know regarding stimulus, regarding the $600 stimulus checks, the massive issues we're seeing there. So I just want you to be aware of what is currently happening. Again, if you have questions, you're seeing some of this stuff happen to you personally, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm trying to compile all this information so that I can give everyone else an update as to what they can expect, what the IRS maybe have told them, and things like that. So again, your help is greatly appreciated as well. So just want to thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing so I can continue to keep you updated on everything that's going on, and I'll see you guys on the next one.